Hello, today I will introduce Windows showing Ethernet icon instead of Wi-Fi. Step 1, check Wi-Fi settings. Open the search menu, type settings, and open it. In settings, select Network and Internet from the left panel. On the right side, locate the Wi-Fi option and turn it on. If only Ethernet appears, this means your computer does not support Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi is disabled. Step 2, run the Network Troubleshooter. Type Troubleshoot settings in the search bar and open it. Find Network and Internet, then click Run. Step 3, check Wi-Fi switch and airplane mode. If your computer has a physical switch to turn Wi-Fi on/off, ensure it is set to on. Check if airplane mode is enabled. Select Network and Internet. Make sure airplane mode is turned off. Step 4, reset network settings. Go to Network and Internet. Under More Settings, select Network Reset. Click Reset Now and confirm by selecting Yes. Restart your computer. After completing these steps, your Wi-Fi should work properly again. If the issue persists, consider checking your Wi-Fi drivers or contacting technical support.